Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A25 and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we will have to find this section, sound and vibration. Then let's tap on the ringtone. And as you can see, here we've got some options which are connected with the ringtone, like the ringtone volume. But let's focus on this list because this is the list of all pre-installed ringtones from which we can choose. So basically, we can choose something from those options, but you can also tap on this plus icon. And if you've got anything, for example, downloaded, they will appear right here and you will be able to choose it and set it as a ringtone. In order to listen how the particular ringtone sounds from this pre-installed ones, you have to simply tap on it. And of course it is too loud. You have to simply tap on it and check whether you like it or not. And if you will decide that you want to set a particular ringtone, for example in my case this planet one, make sure that it is marked and go back. And as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which simply means that from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify you about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.